Kayo ba ay naghahanap ng mura pero high quality na hotel? Check nyo itong video na to. So a few weeks back, nag-check-in kami sa Kingsport Hotel Manila. Located siya sa bagong Nayong Pilipino Entertainment City, Tambo, Parañaque. And I'm here para bigyan kayo ng honest review sa kanilang hotel. To be honest, napaka-ideal ng place nila kasi marami siyang establishment na malapit within the area. I guess that makes sense kung bakit nila tinawag na Entertainment City. So since Parañaque area lang siya, ideal siya para sa mga staycations, lalo na dun sa mga small groups or family na gustong mag-staycation within the metro at hindi na kailangan pang mag-out of town. So let's have a quick glimpse of the hotel as much as possible. And here we go. Kung titingnan nyo yung hotel lobby nila and all, napaka-sophisticated. So quick tour para sa inyo. Check nyo yung kabuuan ng lobby up until the elevator area. 3, 2, 1! Charot! So pagbukas niya, napakaganda ng view ng nakuha naming room. As you notice, tapat siya ng halos across ng Okada. Pero yung kabuuan ng area, makikita mo sa inyong kwarto. Siyempre, susulitin namin yan, picture-picture and all. And as you notice, yung view side nila, kita yung pool area. Room is very minimalist. Wala siya masyadong malalaking cabinet and such, pero napaka-ideal ng place para sa group of 3 kagaya namin. So, to give you a quick honest review for this, napakasulit ng binayaran namin kasi included na yung breakfast sa amount na binayaran namin. By the time na nagkaroon kami ng booking, around 3,000-4,000 yung nakuha naming room, kasama na yung breakfast. Pero lately, may mga instances na nagpo-fall lang siya around 2,000, 2,500, pero hindi kasama yung breakfast. But still, considerable amount na siya para sa quality ng hotel and at the same time, good for staycation. So, I highly suggest to visit their official website para makita nyo yung official rates and all, kasama na yung mga inclusion para sa inyo. Check it. For now, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.